Ready to send money or manage your remittances? Let's dive into how to log into Worldremit for a seamless experience. First, open your web browser or the Worldremit mobile app on the homepage. You'll easily spot the login button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of their website or app screen. Go ahead and click or tap it. This takes you to the login screen, where you'll see two fields, one for your email address and the other for your password. Very carefully enter your registered email address in the first field. In the password field, type in your password for added security. You can use the Show Password option, often represented by an eye icon, to double-check what you're entering. Make sure you haven't made any typos. Once you've entered both, click or tap the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your account. Forgot your password? No worries. If you can't remember it, look for a Forgot Password link, which is usually located near the login buttons. Clicking this will start the password recovery process. You will be asked to enter your email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions. Having login trouble? Double-check your internet connectivity. Also, make sure you are using correct login credentials. If issues continue, there is an option to contact Worldremit support. Remember, their support team is there to help. Congratulations! You are now successfully logged into Worldremit. Remember to keep your account details secure. And happy sending. Consider exploring our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.